dijo, dijo, food. Magwinya, magwinya, fat cakes. Phaphatha, phaphatha, bread. Motogo, motogo, soft porridge. Phaletšhe, phaletšhe, maize meal. Borotho, borotho, bread. Setampa, setampa, samp, a maize dish. Manoko, manoko, peanuts. Seswa, seswa, pounded meat. Kgomo, kgomo, cow. Nku, nku, sheep. Pudi, pudi, goat. Kuku, kuku, chicken. Sukiri, sukiri, sugar. Ditapole, ditapole, potatoes. Mae, mae, eggs. Metsi, metsi, water. Mashi, mashi, milk. Coffee, coffee, coffee. Tea, tea, tea. Biri, biri, beer. You can find some of the food you were used to in America here in Botswana. Grocery stores will have popular snacks, cooking supplies, and butcheries provide fresh meat. However, some of the Setswana food on this list you may have never heard of, but we are sure you will enjoy them. Michelle Obama tried one of our fried dough, magwinya, and said she liked it very much.
For this lesson, we will show you how to tell others what foods you want and tell others about the meals you have had here already.
We will start with breakfast. This morning I ate sorghum porridge, bread and tea. Phakela ke jele bogobe, borotho le tea.
Now, let's have lunch. For lunch, I ate chicken and porridge. Dijo tsa motshegare ke jele nama ya koko le porridge. You can see when you have the meat of an animal, you will say nama ya and the animal's Setswana name. For example, nama ya pudi, nama ya kgomo, and so on.
If you wanted to tell someone what you drank during a meal, you will use kinole instead of kijele. For example, kinole mash, kinole beer, and so on. Now, let's tell someone what we had for dinner. For dinner, I ate seswa, potatoes, and had water to drink. Bosigo ke jele seswa le ditapole ke nole metsi.
If you'd like to cook, tell your host family, ke rata go apaya. I like to cook. I'm sure you will learn new things behind the stove.